Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's so good to see you guys again. Okay, ignore my hair. I've washed, I've conditioned it, and now I'm going to be transforming this disaster into this two-tone. Okay, so here I have the ultra braid color number 2 expression attachments and canacolon. I got this from Aini. She has been on this channel before in color 350 350. Yes, so basically I'm gonna be mixing both up now. Here usually back in my country Nigeria, we like pull out the strands, the ends, just to straighten it out. This way is stretched. I don't know how to explain properly, but yeah, I stretch it out, I brush it out, and yeah, I oil the hair as well, the attachment, not the hair, but that's my hair now because I bought it. Okay. Okay, so basically I got my housemate to help me out on this. Her name is That Katie Girl on Instagram. She's like a fashionista, man. You guys should definitely check her out. Oh my gosh, what's happening today? Why can't I speak? I forgot. Alright, so basically here was zoomed in so you can have a look at how we're doing it. So basically we interlock the white, the black with the red, which is about color 350, which is not really red but brown, as you can see, and then just interlock it. Yeah, and then she twists it in her hands just like you're doing the braids, but obviously it's twist. Just have a look at it. Actually, the reason why you're seeing that she has done a few before is because when we filmed the first few, it wasn't as conspicuous as it is right now. So here you can see that she picks it up just like you're doing a 3-strand braid, like a normal braid, and then she does it like 1, 2, 3 times, and then separates into 2 and starts twisting. Basically she does the twist, like rolls it and rolls it. Okay, I'm gonna stop now and let you just watch how she does it. So basically she rolls it all through the braid or the twist, since we're twisting here. The reason why we oil the attachment, which is the extensions, is because it gets like really dry, and I'm sure on her palm there's like oil on it. That is why she touched it just a few seconds ago. Yeah, so we just roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Okay, I'm gonna behave myself now. So basically this goes on till the end of the braid, the twist. Why do I keep saying braid? Ooh, okay, to the end of the twist. Ignore the fact that it is like not very smooth, like it's rough. We're gonna like trim that off at the end. So yeah, she does this. She makes sure like she separates the 2 colors and they're not like intertwined or interwoven at the end. So yeah, I'm sorry, that's annoying. Okay, so yeah, she's at the end of this twist, and then what she does at the end is tie it, like she's tying a knot just to hold it in place, like this, like so. And basically that's how you do a 2-strand twist. Okay, just for clarity, we're going to be filming this also in real time. Yeah, she fix it up again, just like the first time, starting it off like a 3-strand twist. So just interlocking it in 3 places just to make sure it is secure to my hair. She does this, and then we go into the 2 strands, the twist basically. So yeah, it goes just like that, just like that, just like that. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I'm probably sleepy. I woke up real early just to do this. So ignore my face, guys, and just concentrate on this art craft that Katie girl is doing right now on my head. So yeah, she's really fast. She's just twisting it like she's an expert. So okay, yeah, you can, if you notice, I'm like holding on to the twist because sometimes it hurts like when it's at the edge. So sometimes you just have to hold it so that it doesn't hurt as much. There we have it, basically. Okay. All right, so I guess these 2 strands are very detailed enough. So for the rest of the video, we'll just be doing a fast cut, like a faster version of it. So don't forget, guys, towards the end you have to like tie it in a knot. Yeah, just tie it in a knot. And yeah, the comments on this video was done by Moses Visuals. He basically does all the comments on my videos. He's hilarious sometimes, and sometimes he's just annoying, to be honest. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Just keep watching if you're very interested in seeing how this turns out. Okay, I'll see you guys at the end, or I'll talk to you guys at the end or towards the end. Okay. So here she's trimming it up, like I said at the beginning, basically to just take out any roughness in the twists. So she's sectioning my hair into 2 places because she wants to heat it up, basically. Yeah, like she puts it in hot water. That way all the strands are like slicked together. Here she uses mousse mousse on the twist, just so that it stays in place. This is the mousse she used. Is it mousse or mousse? How do you guys pronounce it? Okay, here she's just running my hair through the dryer, just so it's all dry because she used the hot water on it. So basically, this is it. This is my beautiful 2-strand twist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Till I come your way again. My name is IBKinx, and please don't forget to follow that Katie girl. Follow me on Instagram as well at IBKinx. Bye.